Hey guys, welcome to your second tutorial on how to create a Minecraft custom client. Now this tutorial is just going to be simply on editing the main menu text. Now this series is going to be suggesting that you have never actually coded a Minecraft client before. So if I go over something and you already know it, then just ignore it and carry on. So basically, first of all, you're going to want to go into Eclipse and open up Client, Source, net.minecraft.source, and then go into GUI main menu. Once you're in there, just go ahead and go down to the bottom of the class and scroll up until you find Minecraft 1.5. Once you've found it, just go ahead and replace the text in between the two quote marks to whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and put youtube.com/I earn my partnership, and do the same with the copyright string just here, IEMP client v1.0. Now if we go ahead and run this in debug mode, which means that we can change the code while it's running, and then it will take effect immediately rather than having to restart the client all the time, then you can see that the two pieces of strings have changed. So now if we go ahead and change the color of these. Right, hang on, let me just go over it first. Right, so this piece of code just here means that from this line and downwards, the variable named var10 is now equal to this string right here. So rather than typing out this string all the time, then you can just go ahead and simply type in var10, and then it will type out that string instead of actually having to type it out all the time, if that makes sense. I probably could have said that a bit simpler, but oh well. And then this line of code just here is what actually draws a string to the screen. So basically what it's doing is it's saying this, which is referring to this GUI screen just here, so GUI main menu, and then it's using the drawString method, and the first parameter of the drawString method is what type of method it's actually going to be using, or component it's going to be using to draw the string, and it's going to be using font renderer because that's basically the Minecraft string thing. And then next parameter is the string that you're going to be actually typing out. So we've got var10 just here because we set var10 just above that to this text just here. And then next we've got the position on the x-axis. So it's this dot width is the total width of the window. So for example, this is wrong, but just for example, the width of my Minecraft window right now is 1. And then now it would be 2, and then 3, and so on. So it's this dot width, so the window width, minus the font renderer string width of var10, minus 2, so it's just basically putting it like there. And then it's the position on the y-axis, so this dot height is basically the same as this dot width, except it's the height of the current window, minus 10, so that's putting it at the bottom. And then it's the color of the text. Now the color of the text is a hexadecimal color value. So to find out whichever one you want, just go over to htmlcolorcodes.info and select whichever color you want, and then it will display the hexadecimal value down here. Now just go ahead and copy it, and then go back into Eclipse and type in 0x and then paste it in and remove the hash. And now if we save this, you can see that it's now gone cyan. So that's basically all you need to do for text. And then if we just go ahead and change this for the other side as well, then you can see that it's changed. Now the final thing that I'm going to be teaching you in this tutorial is how to create your own text, so without just changing the pre-existing text. So to do this, first of all, you're going to want to make sure that you're in the drawString method. drawScreen method. If you're not, then it's not going to actually draw it to the screen, so it won't work at all. So once you're there, you're just going to want to. Now you can create a new variable if you want. It's up to you. I'm going to just for the simplicity of it. So string, custom text equals quote, and then the string that you want it to say. So, welcome to my second tutorial, quote, semicolon for a line terminator in Java. And then all we need to do is this dot font renderer, because we don't actually have to use this dot draw string, we can go straight into this dot font renderer, and then open that up and just type in the string. So it's custom text, because that's what we set our variable to, and then the x-axis, so we're just going to put it on the left hand side of the screen, so that'll be 2 pixels in. Then the height, so we're just going to put it, let's just put it to the top, so let's put it 5 pixels down. And then the colour, so in cyan. Finish that off with another bracket and semicolon. And then, that's wrong, hang on a second. I don't know why that's actually wrong. Oh yeah, sorry. That was a fail. It's because I've not actually done this in a while. This dot font renderer dot draw string. And there we go. Okay, so save that, and you can see that it's now 2 pixels in from the left hand side, which we put just here, and 5 pixels down from the top, which is just there, and it's in cyan, which is there, and it's obviously saying our custom text variable, which is just here, is set to that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you edit pre-existing text and create your own on the GUI main menu. Now, if you wanted to do this in-game, then you just simply go to GUI in-game and create your own text in there, but we'll be doing that in the future. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe to watch my future videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.